Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have something really exciting today. We got our Magic at Your Door box and we're gonna unbox it.
It comes personalized. There you see our names right there. Magic at Your Door. We'll put the link in the description. So now we have not opened this. We're opening it right now with you. Just so you know, we did not receive this free of charge or anything like that to do this review. We paid for it ourselves. It is one of the most expensive subscription boxes you can do, but we watched another channel who did a review of this box, Legglife, and we thought it was awesome what they got in that box, so we decided to do it ourselves so we could do an unboxing and a review for you as well.
Well, first of all, it's really cool because they ask you a ton of questions before you get your box, like when you sign up for it. You get asked a ton of questions that personalizes the box to your preference, what your favorite movies are, who your favorite characters are, all kinds of different stuff. So we're really excited to see exactly how personalized this is.
And there was like 30 options for every question.
It took a really long time.
Yeah,
so
it did.
Clear your schedule.
Like you create an account, you personalize it for each person in the group that you're making the box for. It's $89.99 for this box that we did. But just be aware the shipping is extra, and obviously shipping is different everywhere you live, and it'll tell you on the website. So like I said, it's the most expensive box I've ever done, but when we watched the Legglife family do their unboxing, they got some cool stuff, and it was totally worth $100. So let's see what we got. So it comes with certificates of the Magic at Your Door, and it says, if you can dream it, you can do it, and always let your conscience be your guide. May the magic of Disney be forever at your door.
And it's dated and everything.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
That's cool. So then also, it looks like you get a price chart. So when you get this, you get a price chart, and it's just like if you were buying something in the parks. It's color-coded, tells you what the price is. So I guess as we look at stuff, we can see how much it costs, see if it adds up, and if it's worth it for us. So, but I'm going to take, if I'm going to use it, into effect as well.
We got confetti.
Crystal gets to clean that up.
That's all right. I do the vacuuming.
All right, Crystal, what's first?
Ears.
All right, she got food and wine ears.
Oh, that's so awesome.
As you know, we did a giveaway with the pair of food and wine ears we bought.
So I don't have these.
Crystal actually doesn't have those, so now she has her own pair.
Now I have some.
She gave away the pair she bought when we were in Disney World, so there you go.
That's awesome. I'm excited.
Because she needed more ears.
I made this, by the way. This is my homemade ears, but I'm going to put this one on. Even though it has a tag.
So ears, if you don't know, went up in price from $24.99 to $27.99. So right there's $27.99.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's really cool. And this is, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. It's a purse.
Holy cow.
Wow. Wow. It's a Minnie Mouse. It's a Minnie Mouse bag. That is fantastic.
That's so cool.
That is awesome, and it's $39.99.
Okay.
That's the price on that.
Wow.
That's really cool. I'm excited.
Yeah. That's really cool.
I just kind of freaked out.
We thought, literally, we took the purse and the ears out, and we thought that was all that was in this box.
That's it.
So far, we had said there was a husband and a wife, and so far the wife is the only one who got anything.
Which is, I mean,
kind of typical.
Yeah, but that's still sad. These are for you.
Oh.
Those are awesome.
These are actually really cool.
You'll wear
They're
those.
Disney's Parks dress socks. And I will legit wear these to work.
You will.
Probably so much I'll wear a hole in no time.
That's great.
That's cool.
I like those.
They don't have a color or anything on them for a price. I think the socks are usually like $12.99.
Something like that.
Something like that.
This is cool. This is
That's
stationery?
for me.
This is for Bryson. Yeah. Clearly.
It's a stationery pad.
Yeah.
Looks like a little notebook you can open up. Ariel on it.
That's cool.
So there's that. $6.99 for that.
I use that kind of stuff all the time too.
Yeah.
I'll let you open that.
Oh, a little bag of pixie dust. A tie.
That's cool.
Apologize for the crinkling sound, but it's wrapped up. But yeah, it's a Mickey tie.
Oh, wow.
And I've been trying to find, sorry, the light's going to reflect off of this wrapper. You know, I'm going to take it out of the wrapper.
Take it out of the wrapper.
there is my tie, trying to get it to focus. Cover up Crystal. It's got little Mickeys on it, and he's got glasses. And that's really cool because I have not been able to find a Mickey tie. And now I got a Mickey tie, Mickey dress socks, and that's something I've really been looking for.
Now we gotta go on a date.
So I got a Mickey tie and Mickey socks, and that's actually something I really have been looking for online, and I'm glad to have found it. And this tie says $39.99 on it at Disney parks. So it's the same price as her purse, and I don't need a purse.
I like that. It's subtle Mickey too. It's not like...
Yeah, it's not in your face Mickey, which I don't like. I like subtle. Our box, we got food and wine ears. Crystal got a bag, a Minnie Mouse bag. We got the Ariel stationery pad. We got my tie and my socks. So, I mean, in all reality, if you take base price of what we got, I mean, this is the tie and the handbag off the price tags. That's $40.
Each.
And then you add in your ears. We'll round it up to 30. Say that's $110. So I mean, that's not even counting my socks or the stationery pad. So I mean, that's a pretty good deal. That's more than $100 right there in value. And I mean, Crystal uses notepads all the time, so even like this pad will get used
At work.
Yeah, I mean, I'll wear the socks and the tie. Crystal will use the bag. She can never have enough purses. So I mean, all in all, this is a good box.
Yeah,
It's a really good box.
Never would have bought this.
No.
Like by myself, but it's not because I don't like it. It's just not something I would have bought, and I really like it. I'm excited for this. So yeah.
So again, this is the Magic at Your Door subscription box. You can go to magicatyourdoor.com. We'll put it down below in the description. And again, this is not a cheap subscription box. With shipping, I think we were just under $100 to get it to Colorado. But I think it's worth it.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, I definitely don't think we need to do this every month because that's a lot of money.
Like maybe once a year.
Yeah, like this was fun to do like this one time and see like what we got.
I definitely recommend it.
I recommend it.
It's really fun.
And it's very personalized. Like I said that I wear dress socks and that I wear ties, and that's what I got. Crystal said she wears ears and likes handbags.
And I do.
And that's what she got. Like, it's cool. Like, they really do personalize this to you, so...
This is great.
It was awesome.
Yeah, definitely check it out if you like this kind of stuff. We love subscription boxes. We don't do them very often, but this is really fun. I really like it. It's like getting Disney at your door.
Yeah. magicatyourdoor.com.
Weird.
All right, well, let us know in the comments. Do you do a subscription box for Disney? Which one do you do? Which one do you like? Let us know so maybe we can try it.
Have you done this one?
Yeah, have you done it? Let us know what you think. We liked it, obviously. Well, that wraps up our unboxing and our review of Magic at Your Door subscription box. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you liked the box and liked our video, hit that button and maybe make a comment down below so we can interact with you. Seriously, thank you for watching, and we appreciate everybody that's come along for the journey.
Thank you for stopping by.
And for the love of the mouse.
Never forget
that it all started
with a mouse.